Hello guys, welcome back to this channel guys. Let's Sleemyboy's channel, but I've taken over. So wherever you're watching me from guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever you're watching me from. So guys, actually today I'm going to share with you some cleanups in this garden. I'm going to solve 1, 2, 3 issues that are not good in this garden. As you can see, it's not in that a good condition that much, so at least I'm going to put some effort and try to fix it, because this was my late brother favorite place. Actually, the whole day you could just find him taking his vlog here, because he was one of his this was one of his favorite places of taking his vlog. So I think I'm going to share it with you today. So walk with me guys, as I'm doing some cleanups here. I want to fix this garden so that at least it may look exactly how he preferred it to be, so that's what I'm going to do today. So I think I'm going to start with this place. You can see there are some things that have started to grow which are not good for the flowers, so I think I'm going to weed them out. So that his soul may be at full peace wherever he is, because we have no option guys, but at least to do what Sleemyboy loved to do. Wow, actually these ones are going to dry up. I'll collect them immediately I finish. Hey Jose, immediately I finish, I'll collect them. So I'm going to weed them out quickly. Actually, since my brother passed, we haven't done any weeding on these flowers, because we had lots of work to do, different works to do. So that's why we had been too busy. But actually today I woke up in the morning and my whole mentality was on this garden. I said that today this garden must look exactly how my brother left it. So I'm going to weed everything that should not be in this garden, and at least make some flowers look nice again guys. See how beautiful these flowers are. No wonder they were his favorite flowers, especially this red rose flower here was one of his favorite. You can see how they had grown, because we had stayed for a long time without weeding out the extra grass that should not be here. But today I decided that this garden must look beautiful again, the way it was. Wow. Actually, these ones I had cut off these ones yesterday. I tried to fix it, this beautiful tree here. So I'm going to collect these and throw it away. So you can see these ones I had tried to fix them, just that I've not collected these ones yet, so that I can go and throw them away and burn them. As you can see, these ones are very beautiful white rose flower. Smells nice too. Wow. So I think I'm going to collect these ones here so that I can dump them somewhere, so that this place may look neat. You can see we have lots of muscovy ducks swimming here. Just muscovy ducks swimming all over. These ones too are my brother's favorite. He loved them very, very much. So I'm going to dump this one. So you see, we have a banana tree here. So this waste is good for it because it adds fertility to the soil. So actually, whenever we finish collecting some dust, we always dump them here, so that the banana can feel good with some much fertility in the soil. You can see I dropped this one here. Maybe let me just fix these ones here and sweep this place with the broom first, so that I may collect it all at once and finish the work I've started today. As you can see, the garden, at least it has started regaining its beautiful scene. As you can see, at least it's doing good, not the way it was from yesterday and some days back. So I'm trying my best as I could fix it, and I think this red rose flower here, I think I'll fix it a little bit. As you can see, it has grown big. I think I might cut it a little bit so that it may come out fresh. So let me find a broom. Hi.
How are you?
You're good? I have no say. This is my beloved dad, guys. The father to make Sleemyboy.
I'm hungry.
He's saying that he's hungry. And this is my beloved mom here. Sure. You can see he has a grandson.
What are you doing now?
I'm taking some vlog here.
Eh?
I'm taking some vlog.
Okay, take it out to out.
Now the goodness of the muscovy ducks is that wherever I feed them with maybe even some less food, they don't go to any other place. You will always find them here, just drinking the water and swimming all over. That is the goodness of the muscovy ducks. Whenever they are full, they just chill in the water, just like that. So maybe I'll try sweeping this place. Here we have lots of water. We have water, enough water, so no wonder this place looks wet like this. So it's because we have enough water, and the muscovy ducks too, you know their work. Those ones who have interacted with muscovy ducks, you know their behavior. This is always how they are. So you can see the garden is regaining its beautiful scene here. So this is how I wanted it to be today, to look as much beautiful as Sleemyboy left it. I'm going to weed these ones out because they are not flowers, they are just weeds, so which are not wanted here. So and sweep them away. So actually I'm almost finished, because this garden, the goodness is that it looks small but perfect one. It's not that big, though it's a very nice garden. It looks very beautiful because it has almost all types, almost. We just lack some few types of flowers, because Sleemyboy wanted to make sure that he had all kinds of beautiful flowers, different types of beautiful flowers. Though he didn't manage to get all of them, but a good number of them are here. So maybe I'll organize and find some new flowers that he didn't manage to get into this garden, so that I can fit his dream that he left behind, because that's the only option that I have, to make sure that wherever my brother is, he's at peace. So that's the only option I have. So as of here, I finished. I think I'll go on the other side. Oh, I didn't finish here. There are some here that I need to weed them out. So maybe I'll sweep this place first. Oh, sure. Wow, so I think this place is fixed. These are the feeders for the master ducks. Wow guys, so I think this garden is in place right now. So as you can see, it looks beautiful guys. It looks beautiful, beautiful indeed. So maybe I can show you a clear view of how it looks. Wow, you can see how beautiful it is right now. Wow. So the only work remaining for me here is just to collect the waste that I've swept with the broom and throw them away. You can see right now, at least the garden is in place. So this is Sleemyboy's, late Sleemyboy's beautiful house that he had a big dream with too, because that's the only he could afford to build. at his time, because he was not that financially well by the time. So this was his best performance, but I thank him because he was trying his best, because he didn't get that much. So as for his muscovy ducks, wow, you can see they are continuing just to drink water, and maybe it's because it's in the morning, they are not swimming yet, but at midday you'll find almost all of them in this pool swimming all over, just enjoying themselves, because that's all they can do, just feed and relax in water. That's all they can do. So you can see other ones are scattered in the field. The goodness of them, they love somewhere where there is water, somewhere where there is some wet. You can see here someone just poured some water on the soil, and they are here eating the soil that is wet. You can see like these ones. You can see what they are feeding on. I can't see anything, but for them, they know there is food there. Wow. Wow. And I have some cows here, guys. I have some cows. Actually, we had some like 5 cows. We gave 2 away to someone so that he can help in keeping them, and we'll take them in case of any need. But as for now, we just remained with this beautiful cow here. Wow. You can see it has a badge on its ear. It has a badge. And another one here, beautiful one. I don't know where the other one has gone. There are 3 in number which are remained here. 3 number. So that's all, guys. So for my viewers, guys, thank you for staying tuned until the last moment of this video. I appreciate very much, guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching, guys. Much pleasure from me, guys. I really enjoyed sharing this video with you, so I appreciate for everything, guys. So maybe we can see each other on the next video, guys. Stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bar so that you may get notified wherever I post a new video, because I won't hesitate to post a new video every day, because this will be my daily routine, so that I can keep on with the pace that Sleemyboy had, because this is all I have to do right now. I have no option, guys. So thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned until the last moment of this video, guys. I appreciate it. So don't worry because I'm hesitating that much, because I'm not used to this that much, but I'll just be good over time. So thank you. Bye bye.